Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Unique, and today we're just going to see how to get this day clock analog clock widget on your home screen in any phones by using some setting. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly get into the video.
So how to get this perfect day clock on your home screen? It's actually a Google widget, Google clock widget. You just need to update your clock application on the Play Store first. Then you can get this exact the widget on your home screen. So I just going to show how to insert or add this widget on your home screen. Just long press on your home screen, click on the widget option. Just go to search the option called clock. Then just pick the first clock widget. It's an analog clock. Just place it on the screen. Now it will have the pop-up. Now you just need to swipe down and you have this option called day. Just click this. Now the clock has been inserted. You can just long press on the screen and you can just change the clock size. If you just need to change the clock color, you just need to change your UI color. So actually it will be placed based on your UI color. So now I just going to change the screen so the clock also change has screen. This is how you just insert this day clock widget on your home screen on any Android. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.